Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Introducing the simple way to basic number formatting. What is basic number formatting? We have numbers in just a general format. Why are they in a general format? Because Excel says so. How do we know? Well, we go to home. Here we're on home and then go to number. Up here is a general format. Now, if you want to change, we have a lot of different options available. If you just click down, we have general, number, currency, accounting, dates, times, percentage, and so forth. We're just going to focus on a few number formats along with the information listed here, shown here. It's also available here. Accounting number, see where it says accounting number? Just hold your mouse over a particular icon, and we have percent style, comma style, increase, and decrease. Now, what does that mean? Well, accounting number adds a dollar sign to the left, separates thousands with a comma, and displays the value with 2 digits to the right of the decimal point. This is the drop-down control. Here's your drop-down control, and it says accounting. So you can select other common currency symbols. Here, we're talking about different currencies, and this is your drop-down. We have percent style. Displays the value of a percent with no decimal places. This button applies a style to the cell. You have comma style, separate thousands with a comma and displays the value with 2 digits to the right of the decimal place. Increase decimal, you can increase decimal and decrease decimal. I'll give you an example. We have static. We're just going to keep these general, and then I'll show you the difference. We're going to go to accounting right here. We're just going to click accounting. We have 2 decimals and this dollar sign way to the left. We have percentage, and here, if you show 75, this automatically shows 75 times 100. So to fix that, you have to put 0.75. If your intent was 75%, that is something that is really cumbersome with this format. If you go up here and you do the same thing to percentage, it's going to show 75,000. It's just the way it is. I can't explain. If you want 75%, you need to put a period beforehand. Comma style, what is that? It's just automatically going to add 2 decimals. You want to increase decimals, you can hit the arrow, and you can go out to 16 decimal, I believe. If you want to decrease, just hit backwards. You have no decimals, so you can't do anything with the decrease decimal. Increase, decrease. That's just an introduction to this number format. There are more, and we're going to get into those next. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.